Flood watch on WNG for Cecil County. KIH still has not relayed their FOI.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch until midnight tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of Maryland, including the following areas: Carroll, Cecil, Southern Maryland, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, and Southeast Hartford and Northern Virginia, including the following areas: Eastern Loudoun and Northwest Prince William. When? Until midnight tonight.
Here are some conditions.
Streams and other low-lying snowstorm locations. Flooding may occur in forward drainage and urban areas. Additional details: numerous thunderstorms are expected to develop later this afternoon. Or late this evening ahead of an advancing natural front moving in from the northeast, as well as the long-term features to the west. At these boundaries, slow-moving training thunderstorms are possible. Particularly concerned about this occurring over the Interstate 95 corridor. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 are possible, with isolated amounts up to 4 inches possible. This could occur over a short period of time, potentially resulting in flash flooding. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/. For flood safety and preparedness information, you should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. This is No Weather Radio.
Flood watch again on WNG.
Until midnight tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? A portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Columbia, Cumberland, Dalton.
Alright, we're gonna go get this on WXL 3966 plus Schuylkill County. I can't pronounce it correctly. KIH has still not relayed the flood watch yet.
1, 6, 2, 4, 0.
Dang it,
1, 6.
Guess I wait for them.
4, 2, 5.
Finally! It's been almost an hour! Holy crap, it's been an hour! 50 minutes is how long it's been.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of East Central...
And yet KIH continues to screw it up sometimes.
Including the following areas: in East Central Pennsylvania, Berks and Lehigh. In Northeast Pennsylvania, Carbon. In Southeast
I just wonder if anybody else is relaying this again.
Runoff may result in...
I don't think so, but I wonder if WNG is activating twice.
And continues late this evening ahead of an advancing backdoor front moving in from the northeast.
Nope.
Rolling front combined result in slow-moving thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Localized heavy rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches is possible in the watch area.
Are you guys going to relay for Cecil County next?
Weather.gov/safety/. Flood you should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action.
Welcome. Frequency mode. 1, 6, 2, 4, 7, 5.
Another one. This one's probably for Cecil County now. Yep. Took them too long.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall
Yep.
including the following areas: Depot, Frederick, Maryland, northern Baltimore, northwest Hartford, northwest Howard, northwest Montgomery, and southeast Hartford and northern Virginia, including the following areas: eastern Loudoun and northwest Prince William. When? Until midnight tonight. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Numerous thunderstorms are expected to develop later this afternoon and continue this evening ahead of an advancing backdoor front moving in from the northeast, as well as the long terrain features to the west. As these boundaries collide, locally training thunderstorms are possible. Particularly concerned about this occurring over the Interstate 95 corridor. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 are possible, with isolated amounts up to 4 inches possible. This could occur over a short period of time, potentially resulting in flash flooding. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/ Flood for flood safety and preparedness information. You should monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The following is...
What is happening on WXL 39? Oh! Pike County SVR. I wonder if I could get KZ31 right at my house right now. I did hear WXK97 KZ battling out for it. So Pike County.
Expected east of the Blue Ridge.
I know the area I can get KZ31 in right here.
In Lyanna. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh boy. Think that's them.
Drink for your protection, move to within 60%.
Yep, that's KZ31.
Pike and Wayne.
Alright, it's nice that I'm getting a lot of stations right now. WXL 39 alert, I think. I don't know what this is. What station is this? Wait, what? Oh my gosh! I think this is an SVA! Yup, it is! It's SVA! SVA!
The following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
No! I'm not in this SVA. Oh wait, KZ Don's gonna get that. You hear WXA 94 in the back. I don't think WXM 60 is going to go. Nope.
Here is the regional report following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Lancaster, Lebanon, and Montgomery, and Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island.
I think WXA 97 is finished. Yeah. Alright, well, we have an SVI, but I'm not in it.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm today, and he joins us from County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near McKeesburg, or 10 miles east of
WXL 39.
60 miles per hour winds. And power lines if possible. Locations in Texas include Touchdown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Limerickville, and Wanamaker. For your
Oh wait, that's WNG 704. My soul. They're about to be done. Hello?
Here is the
Alright, so PHI is already starting off with the alerts. WXL 39 alert. What? Warren, New Jersey. Okay, so that's KW 35. That's KW 35. That is KW 35.
Frequency low.
Alright, I guess it's not coming in right now. And neither is WXL 39 isn't really coming in either. WNG's going off.
Southern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located. Quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicator. Impact: minor damage to vehicles if possible. And power lines if possible. Locations in Texas include Allentown, Reading, Emmaus, Kutztown, Touchdown, Hamburg, Fleetwood.
I have one station I want to try to see if they're gonna win.
Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. West Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near the north.
Let's try WISP.
Moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
It's not an alert. Come on, come on, WH, don't let me down. I wonder if I can get WODE. Nope. No copyright strikes? WNT 704 is going off. What the hell? I think this is the Lancaster SVR. What? Are they late?
College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm
I
warning
got lucky,
for
they're late.
southeastern Dawson County in south central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania,
Lebanon.
southeastern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania.
I don't think I'm going to be able to get the FMs, but let me try. Let me try getting Y102. I want to see if they will relay.
Welcome. Frequency mode.
This evening, tonight, most
On.
Lancaster,
One.
Exeter, Elizabeth, Columbia, Greenwich, Norrisville, Willow Creek, Louisville, New Holland, Manhattan, and East Petersburg. This concludes the Pennsylvania Comcast allow number 255 to 295.
Off.
Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
6, 2,
Repeat,
4,
a severe
2,
thunderstorm
5.
warning has been issued until
30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lancaster, and Lebanon.
Alright.
Here is the regional weather for
Oh, crap. SVR. WXL 39's going on.
northwestern Montgomery County, eastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County, and southeastern Pennsylvania.
Alright, so there.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Laurelville to near Adamstown to Brickerville. Hear and answer me.
Start relaying. There we go. There we go. WWJZ's finally relaying.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central County in eastern Pennsylvania, north central County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
Alright, Y102 not relaying that.
On the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties. Chester and Montgomery. The following flood watch. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
W.
Locations affected include Reading, Pottstown, Williamsburg, Flagewood, Silver Spring, Philadelphia, Columbus, Weaversville, Robisonia, Eastport, Shelbyville, Schneidersville, Palmerston, Valley,
I'm gonna get to the end of WHW. Flash flood warning for Berks County. There we go. LWXL says issued an SVR for the city of Baltimore.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for
Right now in Baker's Library, like there's a show.
Alright. Flash flood warning.
radar indicated thunderstorms for this
Flash flood warning. Alright, let's go.
But in this game,
Let me just see. I wonder if WHYY is going to relay this. I don't think so.
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. I would impact.
An additional 6.
I guess I'll see if they relay.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Won't you help us?
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not
I
drive
just
on
don't think
flooded
it's
roads.
worth it with this hand, and it sucks. It's impossible for you to do so. You can also
also do that at whyy.org/radio. Again, the numbers.
Alright, I guess now they're going. I already know what station to put this on. That's WHWH. You're going on WKVP. This is going to be a doubleheader on WNG 704. Here we go.
They shouldn't get everyone.
Here we go, they're going. WWJZ's going. WKVP's the first to relay. I'm gonna try and see WURD is gonna relay this because it's for Delaware County. Nope. I need to make sure I can get the doubleheader on WNG.
And key aggression. For your protection needs to register your room.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending. So, hazard 60 miles per hour, gusts at quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. My following is a
Yup, WNG's going again. SVR for Lancaster and York counties of Pennsylvania. That's why it expires.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south central.
Let me get the end of this one. Alright, no copyright. I don't want to get copyright. There we go.
Lella, Paradise, Southburg, Porterville, Paris Hill,
If we get another SVR, I think it's going to be for Philadelphia County, so then WURD should be relaying.
For the following county.
4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1. 2, 4, 2, 5.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
York, Pennsylvania, too.
may occur in forward drainage and urban areas. Additional details: slow-moving thunderstorms may produce local.
Marine warning. Top scope.
Until 7:45 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River to 10 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 16 nautical miles west of Back River, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park and North Point State Park. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a heat member. If you can hear. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Westtown, Downingtown, Honeybrook, Elverson, Leonville, Markwood, Chester Springs, Freetown, and Glenmore. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks, southwestern Montgomery, and central Delaware counties is canceled.
Hey guys, so just a quick announcement. I'm no longer going to be counting car alerts anymore out of respect for everybody who's in the car.
The National
So I'm
Weather
just
Service
going to
in
be
Mount
yapping
Holly, New
about how it's
Jersey
been
has
in
issued a
Tennessee.
severe thunderstorm warning for
That's the recording
southwestern
area
Chester
I'm in
County
right
and
now.
southeastern.
So yeah, I did get 2 SVRs. I did not get the MRX RWT, but I did get 2 SVRs for one on WXK48 and one on WXK47. I will post those eventually. I just haven't gotten to time to record them due to me being on vacation and just having a life and vacation, and I haven't gotten around to editing this video, so that's why a video from June 26th is being posted on the 4th of July. I would also like to say happy 4th to everybody who is
For your
watching this
protection,
video.
move to an interior room on the
Unless
lowest
you're not
floor
from
of a building.
America, but if
Repeating,
you are
a
from
severe
America, happy 4th of
thunderstorm warning
July.
has been issued until
So
7:30
just,
p.m. for the following
just a quick
counties.
update. I'm no longer going to be counting car alerts, as I'm doing it for respect out of family members and anybody else who's in the car. If they allow me to do it, sure, go ahead. I'm fine with that then, I guess, as long as they're allowing me to do it. But I probably won't do it out of respect for them. Ollie, calm down!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware. Spiritual direction.
Oh, WSCW is gonna relay this.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., your radar and automated rain gauges
each other in the way that art is influenced.
area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban
WH.Y. They tried PHT.
Flight candidates tomorrow. Once again, Newcastle, Oxford, Parkersburg. Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., Delaware radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
This is WHYY.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
I'm not gonna bother getting.
Radar and automated gauges.
I'm not gonna bother getting the TV
Flooding
version.
of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underground as well as other drainage and measures. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Newark, Coastville, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Oxford, Marcusburg, West Grove, Newport, and Edinburgh. Year round, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood damage occur in vehicles.
What? Marine warning. Yep, this is north of Pools Island.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay North of Pools Island, Maryland until 8:30 p.m.
Why does this expire at 10:33 on there?
Thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen Proving Ground, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
Radar indicated.
Okay, guys, just doing it. I've barely gotten home.
Locations in Texas include Northeast River, Turkey Point, the City Island, Aberdeen Proving
And Delaware Grace. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire.
Here we go. Upper Delaware Bay. Upper Delaware Bay.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine
Upper Delaware Bay.
Upper Delaware Bay until 8:45 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Peapatch Island, east at 20 knots. Hazard,
What was that?
wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
What was that?
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds.
I'm not gonna go out there.
Waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Sea Breeze, Shipjaw Shoal Lake, Peapatch Island, and Reedy Point. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning
So I
for
did the
Chesapeake
coin in
Bay
that.
from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay North of Pools Island, Maryland.